Welcome back. My name is Roline, and actually today I'm going to show you how to design a website for selling courses online. Okay, now most of websites are selling courses online, including Carousel, including Udemy Academy, including there's a bunch of them like Skillshare, Carousel, edXC, and so many of them. And maybe you have skills, you can sell your own skills online and make people pay for some amount of money to get access to your courses. Okay, it is possible using WordPress, so we can do that, and at the end of this video you'll be able to design that kind of a website. Okay, my name is Roline. Again, if it's your first time to share my videos, please consider subscribing because we're still building the community for learners. All right, so let's get back to the lesson. And at the end of this video we're going to design this kind of the website. You see, this is my website right now, and I have various of options here, and I'm in Tanzania basically, so we speak Swahili. You see, my website was in Swahili at that moment. I don't know at this moment if I've changed. If you're watching it, it is in English, but if you're watching this video, this is Swahili, right? Okay, so I navigate through and show you what is here. So we have free courses, also we have paid courses. On the free courses, someone will come here after visiting free courses, will see everything he or she needs to know related to the course here, about the course and what they will learn and how to get started, and the content are variable, so they can see that we should have videos, and this is for 41 minutes, this is 20 minutes, 19 minutes, 17, 4 minutes, and this is 12 minutes. Okay, so 7 minutes, so they can see this, but they cannot access all these contents direct unless they pay. Okay, so this website will be automated, it will be automatic. After someone has made payments, he or she will read or she will see the contents of the website. Okay, so for example, this is free. Someone needs to enroll, so just to enroll I need someone to create account. So if someone will create account, at least we can get track of him, at least email for sending bulk emails and whatever. But you can make it free, like no one should submit anything, they can visit direct and start learning, no problem. But with paid courses, someone should pay some amount to access all the course content. Okay, so we have like this one is for paid, we have someone, this is for paid. Yes, someone should pay Tanzanian shilling for 4,900 to access all course contents. So course contents are also available here, you see right now. Okay, so this is how it is. So at the end of this video we shall design this kind of a website which shows what someone will learn. Okay, which shows requirements for this course, which shows the audience for this course and course contents, and if we need to get material included, they will see here they have video, image files, and text explanations. So there are all of them. Students will be able to review your courses for others to visit and see what you have been teaching. Also, you can put your video here to show someone like, hey, this is a course we're going to learn, just like a demonstration. Right? Yes, so that's how it is. So back to the lesson here, we should have designing a website like this is, first of all, we are going to use a content management system, which is WordPress. And WordPress, to get started with WordPress, you should have a hosting plan. Also, you should have a domain. Okay, domain is just like a identity of yourself online. Okay, let's make it clear like that. For example, you see mine is logist.co.tz, so you should purchase one of yours. There are a bunch of hosting companies, maybe you have been coming across with them online, like Hosting HostGator, Namecheap, NameHero. Both of them are hosting, they just do the same job, okay, of hosting your website. Okay, yes, so actually right now I'm having my own active hosting plan, so I'm not going to buy or to purchase another hosting plan. So we shall pass and I will show you across my hosting plan, which is Orange Host. Right now I'm going to log in because I have an account with the Orange Host, but if not yet having an account, please, you can buy one of the plan here. So the cheapest, as you see, from $1 per month, equivalent to $12 per year. At least you can purchase that. They give you free domain and you can get started learning with 10 hosted domains. All right, So I'm going to log in here. This is a hosting. So within a hosting is where we get a domain. Okay, yes, because most of people have been asking like, hey, so is the domain and hosting two different things? So how are they related to each other? So the domain is available within a hosting plan. So sometimes let's say you cannot use a domain if you have no hosting plan or any server to host your files. I think it's not gonna work. Yes, unless otherwise you're using things like a blog, or maybe you want to point your domain to some DNS, that's gonna work. Okay, so this is called a cPanel. This is my cPanel. You see, this is my cPanel, and I'm going to create my new domain. Basically, as long as I said, like, I have purchased the domain, you see it is digitallabtz.com. so this is a default domain for this hosting. Okay, but I added some other domains. Okay, so here there are various sections. There is email sections, so you can create your email accounts. There is jet backup section. There is billing section. There is file management section here. There is database section. Also there is domain section. Okay, so what I'm going to use here is I'm going to create a subdomain. If you watched my previous video related how to make a subdomain, that's good for you. But if not yet, don't worry, I'll show you everything. So if we need to make a subdomain here, but before I proceed, I think there are subdomain I don't use right now, so I can get rid of them. Like these two, I don't need them right now. So yeah, I will terminate them, no problem. Okay, so we are going to create another subdomain. Okay, let's create it one here. So here I'm going to create a domain. So the domain, since I have all existing domains active, I'm going to use my new domain. Okay, oh, we have a domain which is not used yet with the website, which is amnec.co.tz, this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one to install my WordPress. Okay, so as long as we have this one, but if you don't have any, maybe you've purchased or you don't have actually any of them, you can create your subdomain. Okay, the subdomain sounds like testy dot amnec dot co.tz. Depends on your extension name, but for me it's just like that. So I click here and I selected the default custom directory, then I click submit. So we created a subdomain. It takes some moments. Now we have a subdomain. You see, we have a subdomain, and if you navigate here, you see we have testy.amnec.co.tz. okay, yes. So after having a subdomain, what you are going to do is to install WordPress. There are various options you can install WordPress using cPanel. One of them is navigating here. You will see like we have WordPress manager, also we have Sulfurous app installer. They all do the same thing, but if you see on the top left corner of your hosting, maybe I don't know if it is available to your hosting, you can see WordPress manager. So they're all doing the same, so you can select one of them. I'm going to choose WordPress manager, and here I will see all the websites I have with WordPress. But for now, as long as we're creating a new website, so we're going to install another WordPress directory. So I'm going to select here. What you should select here is https://www. This will help your visitors to get your website under HTTPS protocol or under World Wide Web protocol, www. All right, so I'm going to select the subdomain that we created. If you remember, we created the test.amnec.co.tz, this one, and directory WP. I'm going to remove this because we need to get our website direct from testy.amnec.co.tz without any directory ahead. Okay, yes, back here we shall set the name of our website, or let's say like Online Academy. Let's say that this is the name of our website. Let's make it simple like that. Okay, Online Academy. And the other thing we're going to set is, hey, this is the tagline. Let's say it's make it learn online anywhere. Let's make it simple like that. And here we're going to use the username. So let's make it Loadline Academy. The username will help you to log into WordPress dashboard. So make sure you remember username, username and admin password. Okay, so Loadline Academy. Okay, yes, Loadline Academy, yes, Academy, and password, let's make it quite secured. So it's like you should not see my letters, man. Like let's make it clear, like okay, yes, you see this is a strong password. Yeah, strong password. And here we're going to use the email. So I'm going to use info email, because sometimes if I forgotten my password, I should reset this password. So the reset link we should set to this email. So make sure that admin email is active to get alerts on all information related to your website. Then after that options, we are going to click install. It takes some few seconds to install, then it will get started to the WordPress dashboard. Wow, now the installation is done successfully. So we're going to access the WP admin. Okay, as I click there, it means we should have a WordPress dashboard. So friends, phase 1 here. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Okay, after accessing WordPress dashboard, we're going to follow a few steps to make sure that we get started with our website. Okay, yes. So what you're going to do here is first of all, you come to setting, then migrate to permalinks. You know, permalinks, we are setting this because this is a very potential things, but sometimes we forget them. Okay, so you set permalinks under post name. So post name means like if you share something, will be under the post name, the post under the name of the thing that you share. Okay, it's not like it should include some dates, some months, some years, like as how you see here. So it will include the name of what you share. That's why you put this. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Saved. So if we check out our website, what it is right now is we see this Loadline Academy and sample page, and we see this WordPress default theme. Okay, yes. So let's come back to our directory, to dashboard here, and what we're going to do here is to make some installations, and there are two things I'm going to install. The first of all, we're going to install a theme. So I'm going to come here to appearance, then themes, then here themes. You select add new theme. As I promised from the beginning of this video that you're going to use all free tools to make sure that you make this website clear, right? So I'm going to use everything for free. So what you're going to do here is we're going to install Astra theme. Why Astra theme? Because it's free. Okay, so it has tons of free templates. That's why I'm going to select Astra. So you click on install Astra. You see now it's installing. It takes some few seconds to install, and then we activate. When we activate themes, it means like we need this to overwrite the existing theme and to be the active theme as I've activated. And if we're using Astra, it means Astra works with starter templates. So we need to install starter templates plugin so that we can access starter templates. So I'm going to click on install and activating. It's just activating automatically. Sometimes people don't find this, so if you find that, you just navigate to, yes, let me show you back here. So if you don't find this Astra, you just come back to Astra options here, Astra dashboard. You will see install starter templates here. Okay, if it's not there, so you see now we have starter templates. If it's not there, you'll see install the plugin. And basically now, if you click on install starter templates, it will show you various options for page builders. So right now we have 3 of them. Okay, so the most popular and what you're going to use is Elementor. So I'm just going to select Elementor and back to starter templates. Okay, so there are various starter templates related from Astra. So you choose the starter templates depending on what you want to design. Let's take an example. You need to design a business website. You select on business, local, personal care, professionals, personal site, community, e-commerce. So if we select on e-commerce, you will see we shall have online courses. Okay, so I'm going to select online courses, at least to get the template related to online courses. Wow, we got it. So all these are just can be used to offer online courses. But for now, I'm going to select this one, online courses number one, and it will pop up and show me the demo website, how our website will look like. Then I'm going to select like, hey, what type of website I need. You see now, this is what we have right now. Okay, this is just a theme. So I'm going to click on skip and continue to start installing the theme or the template. We can call it template. So the templates. So you should select some colors here based on your brand color. Basically, I like blue. Yes, I like this blue. So you can select the font of your choice. Actually, I'm going on with Poppins, and I will click continue. So there are various options that we need to do here. We should install some plugins related to course management system. But for now, I'm not going to use all of this. We are going to use the plugin called Tutor LMS. So I'm going to skip here and submit and start building my website. It takes some few seconds to finish up to load. So let's give it some time and see. Okay, let's give it some time. Oh yeah, there's 17%. So it takes some time to finish up. So let's give it some time. Yo, so thank you. Now our website is installed successfully, as you see right now. So what you're going to do is to proceed with another option, and that is to see our website actually how it is. So this is it. Okay,
Yes, so this is the dashboard of our website that we have installed. We can navigate through and see what we have. Okay, yes. So to edit all these contents, you can do this using a page builder called Elementor. As you saw before, we installed a page builder when installing this. So you can change everything you see here using Elementor. So I'm going to demonstrate this. So you can do this using here, coming here, visiting here, you see edit with Elementor, or you can come to dashboard and access all pages here. Pages. So you will see you'll find the page of home page, which is this one, and also edit it with Elementor. So if you select edit with Elementor, it means you have options to edit everything for your website. Maybe you want to change some content, so your website is very simple with Elementor. So I'm going to demonstrate here and I'm going to allow this. Okay, I don't need a navigation right now. So you see now you can change this. If you need to change anything, for example, this education opens up mind. We can change this text to like get started with Lowline Academy. You see, get started with Lowline Academy. Maybe you can change also this text. You can link these buttons. You see, if you select a button, it will show you its directory. Also, you can link this button to a certain page here. So you can provide the link to where should this link take someone to. Also, the same applies to here. Okay, you see, you can change the images of these images, the image of these files here, and you can change all the contents here. You see, so now we should have some courses here, but for now we don't have them. I think because we didn't install the plugin related to Tutor LMS, which will help us to manage courses. But you don't have to worry that, because we're going to set up that experience. You can set and you can change our text like this. Okay, so you can change everything. If you click here, you will see to the left a corner, you will see where to edit the text here. Okay, the same applies to all. So in short, if you are getting started with the Elementor is a drag and drop page builder that will help you to edit anything. As long as you see the layout and you click, it will show you its directory and how to edit it. Okay, as you see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so you can change here, you can change testimonial, you can change image testimonial. You see, if you change here, you can select another image. Let's check some free images here. Okay, so you can choose like that. Okay, let's say people. So you can choose various images as you want. Okay, so it takes some moments to load, but the internet is so slow, so you can upload another images, no problem. Okay, you see now. So the main thing that we should do, and we should it will take us time, is to configure the Twitter LMS plugin, because all of these contents are drag and drop. Someone may ask, hey, how can I change this background? So if you click this section and style under background overlay, I think background overlay, you see we have this color, so we can make it a little bit transparent, like, yes, you see now it looks better. You see, so we can make it a little bit transparent, or we can increase here transparency, like this. Or if you put it here 100%, it means it will be like how it was before. So I think this is a good approach, at least this one. So let's go up with this. So you can change all of this information by editing all the page with Elementor, and and use your own data. Okay, you see, yes. So back to the view page, it means we changed get started with the load line, and we changed it. There's some contrast here, so all the things can be editable. And this is the navigation menu. Maybe I need to change the navigation menu, and the logo, you should use customize. So you can check customize here, or you can visit it on home dashboard. Then under appearance, you can get back to customize. Okay, so when you select customize, it means it will give you options to customize all of your website, including logos and updating new things. Okay, let's say an example, I need to change a logo. Okay, logo on header builder, site logo. So this, I need to change this logo. I can upload another logo, on upload them. So select file from load line, and this is my logo actually for now. Where is it, my logo? Yeah, here it is. So I can maybe choose this logo to be the default logo for this website. Cropped. Okay, you see now we have this logo changed. Okay, we can change this for retina also. Still use the same logo. Yes, so we can have the logo changed. Okay, so we can check access on mobile. What logo do we have? We have a Duma, so we can change also this logo for mobile. Okay, so we can say on mobile, let's change logo, this logo for mobile. Under transparency, you see we have this logo. We can change this to this logo. Okay, so this is how you can change the logo and some various information to your website. You see now we have the same logo, but yeah, the color here are just like the same. That's why you see a line, you don't, it's not readable. Okay, so back here on the footer section, which we see here, maybe there are some various contact information. You can come back to customize and check footer builder, and there are some various widgets here. So each widget represents one of the section here. So widget 3, which is this one, I think represents contact info. So if you click here, you will see some information here related to this widget. So you see now we have contact info. So I'm going to change all this information for contact and use mine. Okay, this one. Okay, Tanzania. You see, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and this is my phone number. You see, okay, this is let's say my email. You see here, so you can change everything as you see right now. And these are popular courses based on categories and tags. You can also change. Also, this logo can be changed directly from here. So you see we have image. So you can change this image, edit the image, or you can press image here, and with load line as we did before. You see now the logo changed successfully, and you can give it the link you can check it. You give it the link of your website. Maybe if someone clicks this logo, would be redirected to somewhere. Okay, so that's how we do it. So after customizing everything, step two we're going to do is to install the plugin. The plugin will help us to manage courses, and this plugin is known as Tutor LMS. So I'm just going to come to plugin, then I select add new plugin. Okay, so I will search Tutor LMS, Tutor LMS. Okay, so there are two versions of Tutor LMS, which is there is free and paid one. So I'm just going to use Tutor LMS eLearning. This is by freemium with 700,000 subscribers, all active installations. So I'm going to activate this. So it takes some few moments to activate. Now, after activating, it gives us some setup wizard. We can follow along, no problem. So let's follow along and see. So there are two options here. Maybe you are selling courses for individual or marketplace that you can allow other instructors to sell courses within your website. So basically, this is an individual. Maybe it's an individual, or maybe it's a marketplace. Depends to the decisions. So I take it as an individual. So allow instructions. Because we select an individual, we are not going to select yes. But let's make it for everyone. Allow users to have profile showcase. Yes, it's gone. So okay, allow courses arrow. Yes, show instructor bio, question and answers. Course per page 12. Okay, so you can configure your checkout method like bank transfer, e-check, and PayPal, or you can allow people to automatically guest checkout without logging in or without providing any information. So if you don't need anything there, you can select them. Okay. Yes. So back here, you see now we have Twitter and website, and what you're going to see is Twitter LMS now is active, and we have no any course right now. So we can follow some settings and see. So if I do setting, there are various settings here that you are following along, and yeah, so you can follow along here. You can check, and we're going to create at least one course. Okay, so if you need to have paid courses, you should understand me here. Yeah, we are going to use a WooCommerce plugin to help us manage courses. Okay, yeah. So let me show you something. First of all, let's set up some. So let's run some setups for this Twitch LMS. Okay, so on general settings, we have dashboard page. Yeah, we selected dashboard page and terms and condition page. I think you should have terms and condition page for you to help you manage your courses and your students, because sometimes you might have the problem. So if people have read and understood terms and condition, at least it will help you at least to guide you maybe if there is any problem. Okay, so you should have a terms and condition page. You look it here as well, and this will help someone before purchasing would be asked like, do you have you read and agreed terms of service? Someone, if you agree yes, you will be able to continue purchasing, unless otherwise you won't do that. The other thing is, if you're enabling marketing place here, you allow other people to sell courses within your website. Allow instructors to publish courses. Yes, of course, let them allow them. Become instructor button. Yes, of course, people will see the button to become instructors within your website. But remember to make changes or to save after making changes. And we shall forward to the next one, okay, which is course visibility. Show students must be logged in to view courses. If you tick yes, so no courses will be visible. So we're not going to do that. Course content access. Allow instructors and admin to view courses without enrolling. But it's good. Yeah, it's good because all of them are just creators. But no. Sometimes you see you are creating the course and the other creator or other instructor is creating the course. So he can come and check your courses. How did you do it? Maybe replicate them. So I think this is not a good idea to make it on here. The other thing, course summary. Yeah, we put course summary as I showed to my website here, because someone before enrolling should understand actually what is in this course. Okay, so this is course summary. You see, course summary. So someone should see at least this. Okay, so we should enable course summary here. Auto-directed courses, yeah, sure, of course. Let's make them people directed automatically after making a purchase without start searching for the course they have been paying for. Okay, someone may say, "Hey, I paid for the course, but I can't see it. Where is it?" So it's very good to allow them to auto-redirect you after making purchase. Okay, this is spotlight mode. I don't think it's good because it hides everything. It makes only the course to be visible here. Okay, so I don't need maybe I don't recommend that. Okay, because sometimes someone may find or may activate that and fail to activate it. You'll get an message, hey, I cannot see my dashboard. What is it? So yes, so that's how it is. So course retake and publish other just normal settings which you can do by yourself. And the monetization is the place where we allow other people to sell our courses online. So select the e-commerce engine. You see now we don't have any e-commerce engine. So if we need to do this, we should at least have an e-commerce. Okay. So I'm going to add a new tab to open here a new plugin to the new tab and install a plugin which is WooCommerce. WooCommerce allows us to manage courses, okay? To manage courses. So payments would be done using WooCommerce. So WooCommerce will give us an option to update another or local payment methods. Okay, depends on where you are. So moving to WooCommerce and activating WooCommerce. Okay, it takes some moments to load, but it is activated. You see there. Okay, so let's give it some moments. Now it's done. Okay, yes. So it gives us some setup wizard also to see, but I'm not going to follow along with this setup wizard. So I'm skipping this. So my location is Tanzania and Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, and get started. Go to my site. So take some few seconds to load, and at the end we are on the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. Yes, back here. So we save this page and we refresh on select the e-commerce engine. We shall have WooCommerce because now everything is well. So if I select here, you see now WooCommerce is active here. So automatically complete orders. Yes, of course, because sometimes it may be offline, so someone needs to access some code. And if everything is automated, it means even you are absent, someone will make a purchase and keep learning. Okay, so this is enable revenue sharing. You can click OK, and this will you select maybe how much to other instructors and how much to admin takers. So let's say I usually like to say it's 75. Let's say 75% from the all sold courses to customers to instructors and 25 to the admin text a deduction fee. You can set this if you need to make the deduction fee for from cause from instructors like fixed let's make it look, hey, you should have 37 USD for fixed day. Maybe we should have $10. Let's make it 10. We should have $10 for maintenance fee. Okay, yes, come back. Yes, so that's how we set that. Okay, after there, make sure you save changes. Okay, and back to design. So here you select the various layouts, depends on what you want. Okay, I need 3 tabs. Okay, cause a filter if you need people to filter. Also, by the way, this depends on the amount of courses you have. Okay, so if you have more courses, I think that's not a good idea to activate that. Okay, yes. So back here you can select it. This is not too bad. And you can select here page features, instructor. You can show instructor name, questioning answers, author, and so many other things you can show. And you can choose also, you can change colors based on your color palettes depending on what colors you use here. And we should have videos. Sometimes when you create these online video websites, we usually embed videos from either YouTube or Vimeo. So it depends on what you use. The good one we use is YouTube because it's free. Vimeo is good, but it needs subscriptions if you're over 5 gigs of storage. So if you run out of storage, you start paying for Vimeo. While on YouTube, they don't recommend you to pay. Instead, you just hosting your websites for free. So I recommend using YouTube here. Okay, so make sure that you make changes. Okay, so after learning all this setup wizard, at least now we can have something which is working properly. So if we add up a course here, at least we can see the course and try to buy it and see how we can do that. Okay, yes. So I'm going to integrate my website with PayPal to see how it works. All right. Yes. So back to courses, I need to update a course, and courses here I need to add a new course. Okay, add a new course. We'll give it the name. Let's say like web development course using WordPress. Okay, using WordPress. Okay, so here you give some details about your course. Okay, I'm not going to write. Maybe let me copy this junk file, junk names here. Let's copy this, and this is a description for our website. Let's take it like this is one. So you put in a description, and this description will appear like here about the course. So about the course is what someone will see if you say something here. So this will be about the course. And here we usually have another option which shows maximum students to enroll. Also, you can indicate the level on the front end. That's like this is for all levels. And if you make it public courses, it means someone will be able to access this course without enrollment. But if you make it private, it means someone may pay for this course. Okay, here. But remember, we connected this with WooCommerce. So if you need someone to come here and buy this course, you should at least on WooCommerce here, back to WooCommerce, set a page or set a product like WooCommerce products, adding your product. And this product will give it the value or will give it the value amount for your course. Let's say like web development. Okay. Okay, let's sell this for it is Tanzanian sharing. Let's sell this for 300,000. Okay, yes. So this is for Twitter LMS. If you tick here Twitter LMS, it means this will be available to Twitter LMS. So publish this, published it, and this is just like a value maybe. So I don't need to refresh because I will lose all this data. So I'm just going to publish this junk course so that we keep track of all changes. And at the end, if we come back to paid courses and search here, we shall see web development courses. And the value of web development course, it is 300,000. So we shall have 300,000 after publishing our website. So we shall have course builder here. And course builder, there is a topic here. So you add the topic for your website. Let's say introduction. Okay, introduction. Let's say in introduction. Sorry for misspelling. Okay, yes, sorry for introduction. You can have some summary for introduction here and add the topic. After having an introduction, we should have a lesson. So within the introduction, it's just like a topic. We should have for lesson 1. Okay, lesson 1. You give the description for lesson 1 here. You can specify the featured image for lesson 1, and you can upload attachment here. So you can have lesson 1. Same applies to lesson 2, lesson 3. So you can have another topic here, like which is Canva, for example. Okay, you can have topic summary. This is another topic. So inside you can have lesson 2. Lesson 2. Yes, we can have some information here and update this. This goes over and over and over depending on what you have. And here is what you will learn. Upon what you learn section, here what you're going to put is you're going to write what someone will learn at the end of this course. So let's say someone will learn designing web development. Someone will learn web development. Okay, if you add another line, it means it should be aligned sequentially using bullets. So make sure that you add up another line. Development, actually this is misspelling. This is web development. Yes, graphics, graphic design, let's say HTML coding, and so many of them. Okay, targeted the audience you can indicate here like beginners, with computer knowledge. Okay, yes, so total hours you can add up here. Hey, this course has 4 hours, 8 hours. Material included, PDF, let's say we have PDF, videos, let's say we have maybe quizzes. So many of them depending on what you have. So if you have material included, I think it's a good idea to add up them here. Okay, so requirements, instructions, you can have some instructions here. Must have a laptop. You should have internet connection. Active internet connection. There's so many of them. Okay, so you can link the video here. No video source selected from settings. Actually, on setting, let me save this because I don't need to lose. And by the way, okay, back here, sorry. Okay, here, this one. Here on the featured image, you'll see when you're creating a course, you'll see a featured image. What you put on the featured image is the image that someone will come across with. Okay, so this will be the image for your courses on your website. So let's say I'm using this one. Yes, let's use this. Okay, yeah, okay, done. So let's test out this and see how it is right now. I have set the updated now, and back to settings, we should configure the play. Okay, because now we see we cannot allow videos, so I think I should allow on advanced, not on advanced, really sorry, or I think it's not design. We should have selected either YouTube or what. So YouTube video player. On courses, we should select which one here. On courses video preferred video player, let's make it YouTube. Okay. Yes. So if we use YouTube and back to our course, it means we should be able to add some contents for the website using videos. So you see now we don't have any image here. So back here, edit this course, and this is actually shows it's free, but it's not free. So it is a paid course, and this is per amount. So this web development shows the amount. Okay, what you learn, I didn't save, I'm very sorry. And you see now video source YouTube, so we can add the link from YouTube here to make sure that people are just able to see our website. Okay, no, our course or our introductory video from our website. So let's check out, let's give it a moment to load and see what you should have. Okay, yes, the internet is not too stable. Let me change my router. Okay, let me change my router here. Yes, there we go. Okay, so now back online right now. So we should have maybe introductory video like, okay, let me choose one, no problem. Yes, let's say like, yes, I need this one to be introductory video of my course. So I'm going to copy this link back to paste your video here. You choose your video and put it there. Then after here, I think we should have what you learn because they are deleted now. Web development, graphics, design, web maintenance. Maintenance is many of them. Targeted audience on beginners with basic computer skills. Okay. So duration hours. This would be showed in the front end, like, oh, this video has this course has 7 hours. This the materials PDF files, video files, brochure files, etc. Okay. Requirements to instructor. You should have a laptop. Let's say you should have interactive internet connection. There's so many of them. Okay, you can indicate everything there. After make sure that everything is cool and select your thumbnail here. This is my thumbnail and add it here. Yes, so we can publish this course. Yes, this course is published successfully. So let's view this course and see how it is into our front end. Okay, so I'm coming back to my visit website and let's check it out how it is right now. And if it's not there, we're gonna arrange it. Okay, so let's check. Yes, you see now by default we have no any codes, but we have codes. How to solve is back to Elementor and link our course to our page builder. So I'm coming back to Elementor and selecting my course. Okay, so it takes some few seconds to load again, but we should have it.
Your courses that you have been mentioned there, you should come back to Elementor and link them here. So for example, here we see we have the widgets for courses, but nothing is present here. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to make another section. Like, okay, I don't need this section right now. Let's move this and let's add another section for the courses. So this section, we'll click here and add another section, empty section. And what should I have is, after having this free section here, I'm going to search here Twitter LMS. Oh, we can navigate back to here to WordPress. Yes, single website site on the WordPress. I think on WordPress we should have Twitter LMS. Okay, so this Twitter courses. So if you select this, you see we have this course which is 300,000. Sometimes you see it's not well arranged, but you can fix that by selecting multiple, let's say multiple sections. Let's say I select this one and then I need to put 3 courses per section. So you can check like this and remove all this and remain with only one section with 3 subsections. Okay, on this section, so we shall put our course and I'm going to select here Tutor. Okay, search not, it's not here. Come back to WordPress, back here down and search for Tutor LMS. Okay, where this one Tutor. So I'm going to select, click this one and get it here, but I need it somewhere here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's delete this. Yes, I don't need this here because it's not well arranged. So back here to this section, what we're going to do is to drag and drop to this section, and that's the power of Elementor. So drag and drop to this section. So we shall have our website, our WordPress code, and we shall have our code set. So if we visit this and save this and visit our website again, it means we shall see our website now is loading their codes. Okay, so someone will click these codes and see the contents for our codes. First of all, we added the video from YouTube. So this video, someone can play this video and hear everything about these codes, and after here they will read all the code instructions and what someone should have to learn this course or to enroll to this course. So there you see the lessons available, also PDF material included, PDF requirements, so everything like this. Also it shows the course instructor, which is caused by eLearning Academy, and someone will be able to add it to cart. Okay, yes. So for now we don't have any payment method, so I'm going to add up Stripe. No, not Stripe, our country doesn't have Stripe, so I'm going to add up let's use PayPal. But for now our currency is currently in Swahili, in Tanzanian shilling. So PayPal doesn't work with Tanzanian shilling, so I'll change Tanzanian shilling to USD, then I save, and after here we're going to integrate with PayPal. So back to plugin, add a new plugin. So search PayPal. Okay, this is not PayPal, this is not PayPal, this is PayPal. Okay, search PayPal. Yes, so PayPal payments like this, and let's check activated. Okay, so make sure that you have a PayPal account before, after, if you need to configure your settings. So you see WooCommerce PayPal payments here. I will click on setting. Okay, yes, so okay, after here I will activate my APIs. Okay, you see, activate PayPal. It will load it my PayPal account. Okay, okay, this is just authentication, so you need to log into your account. Okay, you need to log into your account, but unfortunately I'm just a little bit far away with my phone, so I will get my authentication code here. So after you apply everything here, it means you'll be able to get started with PayPal, and someone will see everything and make payments with PayPal. But for now, I'm just going to log out and see how it is and how user experiences this website. So back to login, go to eLearning Academy. The website will look like this, and the course that you created will be like this. So if you create multiple courses, will be available here, and this is the image available. If you click this, it will show you like how it is right now here, and someone will read the overview of the website or of the course, and we add the course to cart. But before that, someone should sign in. So I can put my email there and add my password. Okay, but the password is not gonna work because we need to sign up. Okay, we need to sign up a user. Yeah, so that's how things works. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click in the comment section below, give me some comments and tell me anything. Where should I improve? What should I do next time? Because you're the one watching, at least you see what is happening here. Thank you again for watching this video. Let's meet into another video. Bye.